Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to watch a 360 video while you're watching a 360 video. The very first thing that you need to know is that you can look in any direction. So if you're watching with a headset, you can turn your head in any direction. If you're watching on some other device, you can turn the screen either by moving your finger. If you're watching it with a laptop, you might be able to use the mouse to drag the screen in any direction. Or if you're watching with a phone, you can turn the phone in any direction. Now, the very first thing I want you to do is to look up and find X. Make sure you find it. All right, great. Now, look back at me, and I'm going to show you down here, look down at the table. This is a manipulative called Cuisenaire rods, and it's all these colored rods. Each color represents a length. The white represents 1, all reds represent 2, so on and so forth, up to 10. You can do a lot of different things with this. I can use a rod track like this, and I can show that 16 plus 16, because this is a 10 rod and this is a 6 rod, add those together, that's 32. Oh, that's nice. But I can move these around, group the 10s together, and I can show that it's the same thing as if I added 3 10s and a 2. And there's a lot of other things that you can do with this. You can show a lot of different things. Now, look over at this direction, look down at the table, and this is a type of pattern block for fractions. You can see that a brown is 1/4, and if a brown is 1/4, then a purple should be 1/12. It's nice manipulative. Now, follow me, look back at me, keep following me, you should be able to find me. And I'm walking around to the other side of the table here, and I'm going to show you fraction squares. Fraction squares are fun too. In this case, a blue square is 1. So then one of these yellows is actually 1/4, because I could put 4 of them on here. So a pink should be, I don't have all the pinks I need, but I can tell just by inferring that this should be 1/12, because 3 of them are here, 3, 6, 9, 12, so this is 1/12. So this wasn't meant to test your math knowledge or math skills, but this was meant to get you to look around in every single direction. So hopefully that's helped you, and hopefully you're able to look in every direction when you watch any other 360 video. That's it.